Dear children, welcome to the class 7 online classes. Today we are to discuss the first chapter. Let us revise. Okay, we are discuss the in this chapters your first topic computer language. Okay, we know that there are many types language the word like the English, Hindi, German, French, Spanish, etc. But computer only understood the computer language. It is a 0 and 1 form. It is called of the binary language. Okay, next they there are a they contain the five types language: low level language, middle level language, high level language, and fifth generation language, fourth generation language, and fifth generation language. Okay, next topic you would discuss the MS Word, Microsoft Word. As you know that the Microsoft Word is word processing which we use create documents. Let's see some the features Word 2016 which are learned in the class 6. Okay, next drop cap effects. What drop cap effects? Sometimes you require first letter a page is a paragraph to be large and hanging downwards as the paragraph D is larger and hanging downwards. Okay, this called drop cap effects. For effects is insert drop cap. Okay, next smart art. Smart art graphics used quickly and easily make to visual representations of your information. You can choose from among many different layout of effective communicate your message idea click. Okay, next your topics Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. Okay, Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software given facility the Microsoft Office, the honor of Bill Gates. The in this software you given the facilities make the powerful presentation just like your school presentations, any product presentation, etc. Affect the audience. Okay, next your topic spreadsheets. Microsoft Excel 2016. A spread software use the that software which provide of the us a tabular format in the form of rectangle cell where we can where we can enter data and perform the calculations. We can also analyze data easily spreadsheet by using several tools like the charts, pivot tables, etc. Some example spreadsheet software. Okay, Microsoft Excel. Okay, it contain the worksheets and workbook. Worksheet single page spreadsheet file which also known as the workbook. Okay, work workbooks spreadsheet file which contains several sheet in it is called of the workbooks. Okay, just like the your books just like the workbook, each page just like the worksheet. Okay, next spreadsheet used to the mathematical complex calculation make too easy because given the different type the formula. Okay, so used to the complex calculations. Okay, next your topics next your top cell. A cell is a rectangular block which form the intersection of the row and columns. We in data in cell row horizontal column or verticals. Next cell address. Each cell has one of the unique address which formed by the column heading and row numbers. For example, A1, C5, etc. Next, a cell address is also known as the cell reference. Okay. Next, basic formula. A basic formula, that formula which contain only one type the operators. Okay. Next, compound formula. Compound formula, that formula which contain only more one type the operators. In this formula contain the two or more than operators, but basic formula contain the only one type the operators. Next, range access the group cell the as well as cell the address. So we have the range address. Okay, and range address two parts: starting cell address and ending cell address, just like the A1 and F9. Okay. Cell reference. There are MS Excel three types: cell reference, relative reference, absolute reference, and mixed reference. Net topics: small basic. The small basic programming language associated IDE which developed Microsoft October 2008. Okay, the given the facilities algorithms. What is algorithm? An algorithm is a step by step method to complete task solve a problem. Okay. Next, flowcharts. The flowcharts graphical representations of the algorithm. Okay. Next, internet services. Okay. Internet services. The today's we can our movie ticket using internet. We can download favorites movies song internet. We can also with the friends and send greetings to them. Okay. History of the internet. It was year 1969 when the ARPA United States Department defined the in a project named ARPANET. Okay, Advanced Research Project of Agency Network. Purpose: ARPANET was exchange data. The project research work in university research laboratories. Okay, the first name is it is called saying that the ARPANET. Okay, internet. Internet means two more computer connect together, communicate, share and data. Network is a network. Internet used to the sharing the file and folders anywhere. Okay, some we are discuss the next topics: internet services, video conferencing. Okay, the most important video conferencing the technology that allows user the different location to hold face to face meeting. User need not move to single location together. Video conferencing is a useful business user different cities, even business travel. There are several other use video conferencing like the holding uh, routing meetings, routing meetings and provide training, discuss important issue. Okay, business idea and interviewing job candidate. Okay, e-commerce. Next your topics: e-commerce. E-commerce stand of electronic commerce as people go to the market to buy things. People also open e-commerce websites to buy the things you seen the Flipkarts, Amazon, Snapdeal. Okay, but various things. Okay, e-greetings. When we are you the two birthday party, marriage party, carrying the gifts and greeting cards to wish. We are living in the age of the internet. We can use of e-greeting with your friends, relative and teachers. The website of free greetings just like 123greeting.com etc. Next, e-learning. E-learning stand for electronics learning. Nowadays we are the on the different types uh, learning on the internet. Learning means learning through the computers as several benefit of the learning. Anytime anywhere learnings and education syllabus available 24 into 7. Self paced learning possible where there are no school college where reach the contents available for students to learning. The in these types communication medium the e-learning. Okay, so uh, next okay, thank you.